In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox, or tick box, in Google Sheets. If you want to make a spreadsheet more interactive and easier to use, adding checkboxes is a simple but very helpful feature. Checkboxes are great for task lists, attendance trackers, project management sheets, habit trackers, and any situation where you want a quick yes or no or completed not completed option. To get started, open your Google Sheet and go to the area where you want the checkbox to appear. Before inserting anything, take a moment to select the cell where the checkbox should go. If you want to place checkboxes in more than one cell, you can also click and drag to highlight a range of cells first. This saves time and allows you to add multiple checkboxes at once. Once your cell or range is selected, go up to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, look for Checkbox and select it. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will place a checkbox inside the selected cell or cells. That's all it takes to insert a checkbox, but it's useful to understand how it works after it has been added. You can click the checkbox to mark it as checked, and click it again to uncheck it. This gives you a quick visual way to track progress or status directly inside the spreadsheet without having to type words like yes, done, or complete. If you inserted multiple checkboxes, each one can be controlled individually, which makes them especially useful when working with lists. For example, if you're creating a to-do list, each row can represent a task, and the checkbox can show whether that task has been completed. One helpful tip is to make sure you select the correct cells before inserting the checkboxes. If they end up in the wrong place, you can simply undo the action and try again. You can also copy and paste cells with checkboxes if you need to repeat the same setup in another section of your sheet. Another useful thing to know is that checkboxes can work well alongside formatting and formulas, especially if you're building a more advanced tracker. But for basic use, simply inserting and clicking them is enough to get started. So, to recap, open your Google Sheet, select the cell or cells where you want the tick boxes, click Insert in the top menu, and choose Checkbox. After that, just click the boxes to check or uncheck them as needed. And that's how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets.